Here's how to install our OCAM gutter mount roof rack. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Install the wind deflector at the front of the rack using this hardware and tighten with a 5mm hex bit. Attach the rubber strips to these brackets and loosely secure to the angled brackets. There is a small tab that slots into the upper hole of the curved bracket. Loosely install the brackets onto the rack with the supplied channel bolts. Undo this 4mm bolt and then attach the bracket. Repeat for the remaining brackets. Lift the rack onto the vehicle and tighten the gutter mount brackets. They should sit flush into the gutter channel. With the outer clamping brackets, if your set does not have foam strips applied underneath, then you will need to add a rubber strip to this edge. If your clamps have foam strips, then continue with installation. If the brackets are contacting parts of the gutter channels, then apply rubber strips along the side edges to protect the paint. And install onto the brackets with a 6mm hex bit. Tighten the remaining clamps. Once everything is tight, center the rack to the vehicle and re-tighten the 4mm hex bolts underneath each bracket as well as the 13mm flange nuts. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.